Hello, my team. Welcome. Today we are going to start our new journey about Git, and later we'll jump to GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket. So today is going to be the introduction video about Git and about some basic concept about Git and why we should use it, how you should use it, when you should use it, and what's the importance of Git, and lots of things. So today is going to be a boring lecture. By the way, this playlist will be dedicated to someone special of myself. So getting started. So first of all, to understand about Git or version control tools, you have to understand some background about Git and GitHub. So why Git came? Because you already know that there is a operating system or kernel Linux. When Linus Torvalds tried to create his favorite kernel Linux, he was in a lots of trouble to control the version system of every file. Then he jumped to a brand new project, and that is Git. He created Git so that he can easily control the version of every file, so that he can track everything, and it made him very easy to create Linux kernel. So hopefully you will understand what is Git and why you should use it, and later I'm going to give you guarantee that you will be all set up about Git. So, and before Git, you have to understand what is version control and why you should care. Actually, version control means we control different version. We control change over time. Even we can recall the change later. For example, you write something, whatever, in your source code, and that can be controlled. That can be controlled, and for that file there may be lots of version. So among the lots of version, you can control easily in your local computer and in your remote host service. So suppose if you are a graphics designer, you are a very love at art, and you are very passionate about art or image photography. So you work on photography. I am not talking about coding. So you may made something change about your image editing. For that reason, you can also use version control system, what is actually Git. And actually there are lots of version control system, not only Git, but this is the most popular to among the developer. So if you want to look up what was the last modified version of my image and who changed it, even after changing your image you want to go back to your previous image because you messed up. So this is the problem, because you edited some image and you think that's fine, okay, then later you try to improve it, and after trying to improve it you looked that it's already messed up. Rather before version was very nice, or suitable, so you want to move back. So what will you do? There is no option, you already have changed. Here the Git will come to play, and he will rescue you. He will to help you to come back to your previous version. Even you can go from the very beginning. So this is actually purpose of the version control system. So I hope you have understand what is version control system, and why you should use Git, and especially for software developer. So as like you can use it for graphics design, you can also use it for every type of work, like software development, like text editing, like even if you are a writer, if you are a what is called that freelancing journalist, you can change, you can use Git everywhere in computer. So today's introduction video is over. So later we'll jump to the concept, what is local version control system. I will explain each and everything. Thank you.